Hi everybody, Vijay out here, and so today I'm gonna show you what I've been working on my plane. So recently like I said, I got an order from Bricklink. So right here, these are the slopes that I got. They run all along here, under there, and all along the other side, and the bottom and the other side. But turns out I didn't order enough for those, so I just ordered more. And I already had these white windows, so I didn't have to order those. I'm going to order more though. And these orange ones are emergency exits. Okay? Yeah. So focus. Okay, there. So that's pretty much all I've done. So yesterday I ordered some more parts from Bricklink. I ordered some more of these to fill in the other side along there. Here. Let's see. Okay. So as you can see, I haven't put these slopes all the way on, so we still need some more over here and under the wing and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much for those slopes. What is with this? Okay. Anyways, besides, since I ordered those slopes, I ordered these windows to go all along here and the other side. So let's see if this will focus. The lighting's bad, sorry. Okay. So as you can see, I have the emergency exits on, the orange ones. On the first side, there's one on the second side there. I still need to put one there. Yeah, so these are pieces of two. So they're not like one window. There's like two. Okay, stuff like that. So, and then I haven't ordered these yet, but I'm going to order slopes to go on the black thing. Like I said, the roof. Oops. The roof goes on here, like this. And, but I haven't finished the roof, so I'm still working on that. I probably will do that once my Legos come. But yeah, so that's all I really have for you today. Bye for now.